What's up, guys? Welcome back to another trading day, and today is Friday. So hopefully, let's get this dub. Let's get this win for today. Market's kind of tricky, but you can see right here what I think is gonna happen. This is not really entirely what I think is gonna happen just yet. Not just yet. Not just yet, because we still have you know, this is just the pattern. The previous day, not the previous day, like that session pattern. I'm gonna call it the session pattern. Yeah, the session patterns. That what I think is gonna happen. Wow, I really need to take a dump right now, actually. So let's hurry up and analyze this, and we get off at 9:30. The market's open, so let me hold this in for like 3 minutes. Hopefully this can bypass quick. All right, actually I'll just cut to. I'll just analyze, and then we go to the trade and all that. Oh, yeah, I'll just cut to the trade. But anyways, if you go into the daily, you can see that we're actually on a green candle, bit of a small green candle. So I don't think we're gonna want to take out this low, but I do think we're gonna take out this high. So I do think we're gonna. Sorry, excuse me. I do think we're gonna go up. We have this daily gap right here, but I mean I did take this respected right on this candle right here, but no, I don't really use daily for rally gaps, but it is useful to know and see and use. You can see here gap respected it, then inversed it, bearish, respected it, turning bearish now. So we maybe want to respect this bearish gap again. Who really knows? You know, who really knows? Again, a gap right here respected it. Still respected it. I can't. Who knows? Because it's order block. But anyway, let's stop. Yeah. Small green candle, so I do expect this to grow even larger and hit this high. Who knows? We have Space XPO, SPXO, I think, going on live today. So I want to see what happens there. If we go into the 4 hour real quick, you do see we kind of did inverse this gap. I don't know if we still want to respect it. We do have this 4 hour bullish fair value gap that we respected, and kind of we're kind of respecting again. I do think we're gonna want to touch this high, and we do have these 4 hour fair value gaps right here to tap into and see if we want to test and inverse. You know, who knows who really wants to see, or I really need to use the bathroom. Yeah, let me just hurry up. We do have this other 4 hour gap, so if this doesn't want to come down, you know, we want to see this get tested and respected, and I do think that's gonna happen. If it does come down, it's gonna get respected, and not that it's gonna come down. I don't know about that just yet. If you go into the 1 hour, we are going we are going up. We did kind of break structure here, but we are, you know, kind of still moving to the upside. I do think yeah, I do still think we're going up. We have this 1 hour for value gap right here that we respected right here, and seem to be testing again and going up. So I do think we're gonna continue to go up. If we go into the 15 minute, we have kind of like these 15 minute 1 2 right here. So I'm gonna draw that out real quick, see what happens, and then we have this 15 minute. Yeah, if we go right here, we touched Asia highs. So this is kind of like the pattern. We touch Asia highs, go down a little, go up just a little, and then go all the way down. So who knows? We maybe want to touch this high right here, London, this high or London highs, and then we go back down, or even this high. To be honest, who knows? This is a previous day. No, not previous day. These are these highs from like a long time ago, like 2 days ago. Market's about to open 2 seconds. Put this right here. See what happens. Market's going down. So yeah, I do think I think I want to take the longs, touch these lows, see what happens there. I'll be right back. Okay. Ooh, sorry about that. So we do have a bullish S&T as of right now. We are respecting the 15 minute. Actually, no, wait. Am I tripping? Turn all this on, by the way. London lows have been tapped. Yes, London lows have been tapped. Same with ES. Do we have really an SMT over here? Not really, no. Let's go into the 1 minute, see what's going on right there. I would have preferred this to hit, see, a long wouldn't be bad since I am looking for longs, but I can obviously tell there's no equilibrium. So yeah, no SMT, but I would have, if for a good long, I would have preferred this to hit Asia lows. I'm not gonna lie. It does seem like it's gonna respect the 15 minutes, so looks like we could catch a short. We have not really Asia lows, but this high in London highs to tap into for shorts. And if if it wants to climb even higher, we can tap into these highs where I do think we have a great shot of a short. So if this wants to climb up high, by all means, a good short really could have been over here, and I'll show you why. We have a fair value gap right here, inverse. We have an inverse fair value gap right here, and whoa, what the heck? Whoa. And we could have long right here off of this inverse, but as you can see, it did not tap the inverse. What the heck? Hold on. What the heck? Yeah, I just got done pooping. Whoa. I wonder now if we're going to respect that 15-minute. If we don't, I think I might want to look for the shorts. Huh. Whoa, this is whoa, what? Did something happen? Trump, the terms that I ran leaked out to the fake news and have nothing to do. The terms that leaked out to the fake news have nothing to do with the terms that we agreed to. Everything what they said, including their weak, pathetic statement on having a deal, bears no relation to the truth. Excuse me? Bears. He said one word, bears. That's why I probably wanted. That's probably why I showed it. What? Very dishonoring people to deal with them. This is no such thing as dealing in good faith. Amazing. Also, they're totally rebuffed drone attack last night against Indian ships leaving the Hormuz Strait is totally unacceptable. They better get their act together fast. President did it. This guy is insane, bro. This guy, bro. Okay, so news right there. I'm gonna log in real quick. Okay, you know what? It looks like we are getting our delivery to long. So if we can get a good, do we really want a long? Because the invert is this gap, but it is touching Asia lows. I mean, whoa, no, tap it. Let's not do that weird stuff. Let's tap Asia lows. All right, but let's see what we can really happen here. So longs over here would have been bad if it had retraced. Oh my gosh, I would have got cooked. But then I think I would have got hit with break even. Break even would have been the top of this fair value gap. And also, but the market's been moving like crazy. Look at this point. This is a 50-point drop with including the wick 120 points. Like literally 100 is the new 50. Look at these moves. Look at that. Boom. 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 Like we're averaging 50 we were like 50 was like I don't even know. It's hard to say. We have an SMT ES tapped Asia lows, but NQ didn't. If we were to take, let's see. We'll see if we're gonna respect this 15-minute. If we end above it, or we're still gonna test it, ending in it. Let's see. It's all depending on this candle. Looks like we're gonna. Okay. 35 seconds to the clock. Low-key hate that we didn't tap these Asia lows. Again, we don't have to trade. I just want to see what happens. If this is a chop day, then it looks like we're disrespecting that gap. Broke structure. If we're disrespecting that gap, I think I do want to take the shorts. So, boom. Green to red. Tap the equilibrium. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yep. We have disrespected the gap, inverting it, respecting these three 15-minute bearish gaps. Right here. If we could just Hold on, because the 50, I have a new thing where I use twice the amount. Boom. So instead of a 50 point, it's a 100 point. Instead of a 65 point, it's a 135 point. Though I might drop this down to 90 just to be greedy. Yeah, that looks about right. If we try to use the 50 point one, look how small that is. Like, oh my gosh, we can easily just get wigged out. So I think we're gonna have to use this one, to be honest. Didn't tap equilibrium. Yeah, did not tap equilibrium, so no, could not be able to take the shorts. Oh yeah, and since it moves below equilibrium, we're gonna have to put equilibrium to this low now. See if it taps it. If it taps it, we might take the shorts. So we did inversus gap. We're at age of lows. Gonna have to see what happens here. I'm not really the one. All right, I analyze a bit of my own, guys, and let you guys know on what the trade is gonna be. I'll see you guys when I take the trade or when I'm about it. Well, hopefully before I take the trade. So honestly, I think I might want to look for longs, inverse this breaker structure, equilibrium, and we tap this high. Like, hopefully that's a good game plan. We can see, but I'll get back to you guys when I take the trade. Alright, I'm betting oh, whoa. Okay, so you can see we broke structure right here. We're about to enter equilibrium. I think I do want to take this trade. I don't know if I want to take it 100 point stop. Okay.
Order filled.
I think I want to go in right there. I'm in for the longs. Okay. I mean, I'm in with 5 micro. Oh, I gotta log in right here. I'm so dumb.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in break even. Ooh, will I hit break even? Hopefully not. Wow, okay. Let's hit this. Come on. I gotta break even like way too early, I'm not gonna lie. So hopefully this can deliver. No. Let's get this break even. I mean, no, let's not get this break even. Jews. Go up. Go up. Boom up. Boom up. Let's keep booming up. Break even was way too early. Let's boom up. Let's boom up. Yep. Let's boom up. Yep. Let's boom up. Yep. Let's boom up. Yep. I'm still having difficulties. Should I be targeting 50 points or what? Kind of at this fair value gaps. Wondering let's see what's gonna happen here. Oh, kind of annoying. On ES, we didn't tap the fair value gap yet, so I do hope we tap it on ES, so we can tap it. So we can tap our full TP on NQ. Let's tap it. Come on. Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's go up. Oh wow. Okay, that's not a great sign. Okay, hold on. That's actually not a bad sign. Let's go up. Come on. Let's not go down. Come on. Please. Let's go up. Come on. Oh, damn it.
Stop filled.
That's alright. So, wow, just okay. So break-even was way too tight. Only earning 50. I want to go back so bad. I want to go back in the day so bad. Let's see what happens. I would have hit break-even regardless. I gotta respect it. Break-even was way too early. Yeah, 61. Oh my gosh. This is weird. So, I'm testing out this new scale out strat. It's 100 points, but it's not giving me the same results. I don't know how many micros. So, I would definitely have to use different amount of micros. Oh, I want to get in this bad so badly. Wow.